Hammer Gang, because we always hit the nail on the head. So as you guys already know, the NFL draft has concluded yesterday. Now, 8 Miami players was in this draft, 8 Miami players. So let's break this down with the 4th round pick. So in the 4th round, with the 140th pick, the Jacksonville Jaguar selected Shaquille Quarterman, linebacker for the University of Miami, number 55. Let's go! And not too far behind was your boy DJ Dallas, number 13, running back for the Miami Hurricanes. At 140th pick by the Seattle Seahawks, DJ Dallas is going to Seattle. With the 176th pick in the draft, the Minnesota Vikings selected KJ Osborne, number 2 for the Miami Hurricanes wide receivers. Let's go! 7th round, 242. Green Bay Packers selected Jonathan Gervin, Miami Hurricanes defensive end. Let's go! But that's it, folks. That's all the players that were selected. Now, if you knew Miami had 8 players in the draft, 4 of them got drafted. That means that Michael Pickney, Jeff Thomas, Trojan Bandy, and Trevin Hill did not get picked. But that's not the end of it, you know. They still have a shot at the NFL. Now, there's not much on these guys already, but you know, down the line we will find out. But Trojan Bandy has said to have signed with the Steelers. So he will be a signed undrafted player. Also, player not in the draft or mentioned in the draft at all, or even went to the got invited to the NFL Combine. Romeo Finley signed with the LA Chargers. So we do have players that did not get drafted, that did not even go to the draft or the NFL Combine, that has signed with teams. Now, we do not have any official stories or any news on Michael Pickney or Jeff Thomas or Trevin Hill at the moment. But if anything comes up, you know, I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know everything that I know. Did any of you guys watch the NFL draft? What are your thoughts? How do you feel about the players at Miami that got drafted? How do you feel about the players that did not get drafted? Get in the comment section. Let's talk.